how to change default save location in Microsoft 365 apps. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. It's really simple to change the default save location in Microsoft 365 apps. It's the same with any app. I'll show you how to do it in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's dive right in, open it up, and then go to the file option in the top left. And then you need to head over to options, and then you can see save. Just tap on it, and then you can see save computer by default. If it is ticked, you can untick it, or you can tick it according to your choice, and you can see default local file location. You can change this as well. So that's it. It's as simple as that to change the default save location in your Microsoft 365 apps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.